Thank you kindly so much for joining. I am not a live person, but I am alive. I'm alive. I'm a real person. I got some juice for you. You ready to see it? Pineapple, lemon, purple cabbage, green apple, and ginger. So let me show you what the juice looks like. It's pineapple juice. It's sweet. Yes, you can drink pineapple juice. Very beneficial. I want more. I want so much more. The more color, the better. You can peel your lemons or not. Do you peel your lemons? Are you ready for the purple cabbage? I'm excited to try this juice. If you got a juicer and you got produce, then you got juice. Team no excuses. That's the object here of this video. Team no excuses, make juice. And I put this cabbage up for the last time I made juice. I used half a cabbage in the recipe and it was great. Blueberries. I put a lemon in there and a cucumber, and I made purple juice. I know purple cabbage is expensive. You don't want to waste it, so whatever you don't use, whack that thing up. Pro tip, when gingering, chop that ginger up. Don't just throw the whole thing in there. Chop it up into little pieces to help your juicer. That's the purple cabbage coming out. And it's already turned the juice pink. Just cut the apple up. Cut the core out of the apple. They say the seeds are poisonous. I don't know how many seeds you gotta eat to delete. Don't do that. Not by the apple. You don't want to go by the apple. So take the seeds out. That's fine. I'm gonna put a few slices of apple in here. I did add the ginger. I'm not gonna eat the apple before I put it in here. I did 1 apple. I did 1/4 of red cabbage, half a pineapple, some of ginger, and we're gonna do the lemon. Lemon is great for immunity and adding that sunshine to your juice. And I've heard before that the lemon peel is good and the white part is tart. So it's up to you. What you want to do? You want to peel it? Do you want to peel it or do you want to keep the peel on? I have to juice every day. So that's what made me get this instrument. Because I was like, this is going to give me the most juice. And it's going to pay off, and it's going to be so worth it. So that's how I ended up getting the mama. Isn't that a beautiful juice? Thank you so much, Rooted. Purple cabbage, pineapple, lemon, red apple, and ginger. Wow, look at there. That is a beautiful color. Purple and lemon and piña. So it is smooth. It is consistent here. And we have juice. We made juice. It didn't really take that long. I know I ran my mouth for a little while and then I made the juice, but for the most part, the juice took less than 10 minutes to make. So what you gonna do? Drink the juice? This juice, oh my God. Pineapple and purple, don't do what I do. Don't gulp it, sip it. I'm trying to sip it, I'm trying. Ooh, that juice good. I just want to swallow it. Oh my God, this juice is so refreshing. And I guarantee you that the pineapple, piña, and lemon, just the combination of pineapple, ginger, and lemon, whatever you put pineapple, ginger, and lemon to, boy, gonna pop. It's gonna pop. So what did we do? We used purple cabbage and we used a little red apple. Thanks to Rooted and Essential Oils. Thank you so much kindly for this impromptu recipe for us to try today. It was fantastic. I love it. I love the color. I love the texture. Ooh, look. It's true. It's juicy. That was good. And so can you see that juice was good. Tasty and beneficial. Because I am sure red cabbage is packed with flavonoids and antioxidants. Anything that is boosted with color, as rich as this, is good. Too is good for you, the red cabbage. I like that. I'm gonna add that to my repertoire, Rooted. Purple cabbage, pineapple, lemon, ginger, apple. And guess what? High five. Because look, I got lemon on my hand. Don't worry about that. High five. Because it meets our basic, simple juicing recipes with the 5 ingredients. I didn't put anything else in here. No azúcar, no sugar, no extra sugar. Guess what? The apple, la manzana, the apple was the sugar. The pineapple was sweet. And the purple cabbage is going to make you feel like, oh, I'm not just sipping sugar. The purple cabbage is going to make you say, oh, I'm doing something good for my soul. And this is good. And you're not really supposed to gulp the whole, you're not just supposed to gulp a whole gallon of juice at one time. I like to think of juice as a vitamin. Can I say vitamin? Let me say vitamin. I like to think of juice as a vitamin. It's something that you supplement. You add it as a supplement. A creme de la creme, you add it. So it's not about depriving yourself. Oh my God, she just wants me to drink juice and eat nuts and berries. That sounds good. To me, it sounds good. No para tu. For you, no. That's not what I'm telling you to do. I'm just asking you to just add one juice. If this is not a lot, this might be 6 ounces. That's a baby glass. Baby, 6 to 8 ounces. Start with just 2 to 3 ounces. How about that? Let's take a shot. Take a shot and then reflect on how it's making your body feel from head to toe. And juice therapy, juice cleansing, juice detox, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's available for you. And you do not have to be scared of it. You don't. And we did that pineapple, and I still have pineapple left. So, bro, you can take that pineapple and put it in a bag. No en la basura. Put it in a bag, and you can save this for a smoothie. You can make a smoothie later with frozen pineapple, all right? You can eat this pineapple raw, because baby, yes, that is it. And you can make more juice. What's your choice? A, B, or C? You want to eat it? You want to juice it? Or you want to make a smoothie? The choice is yours. It's no pressure. And because juicing is a lifestyle, the possibilities are endless. There's so many things that we can do with the juice. Thank you, Rooted. Thank you so much, Kylie. Because like I said, I would have ate all this. I just would have ate all this pineapple before I even put it in the juicer. Now, that's the thing. Pineapple, yellow pepper, and yellow beets. And then I add a little lemon in there. And maybe a little green apple or so, if you like. Or a cucumber. So many combinations you can do with the juice. And like I said, you can use the pulp to make muffins, you can make crackers, and there's not even a lot of pulp right here. This, bro, what I'm supposed to do with this little bit? Not much. I know people get afraid with making juice because it's like, oh my God, what about the cleanup? Oh my gosh, I'm wasting so much produce. But just like when you cook, you gotta clean up, you gotta clean the pot. When you smoothie, you gotta clean the blender. And I guarantee the best thing to do is clean up right away. So I do be in between juices. I'll clean like that doesn't have the corresponding recipe. Then yes, I will start from scratch. So let's do that. I appreciate it. I like this juice. It's a pretty color. That is beautiful. That is gorgeous. And it tastes good. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. What a beautiful juice for a sunny day like today. That were cute. These go together. So I put the rest of the juice in a glass mason jar, and you want to keep these handy, whether they're small or large. I'm going to put this for later. And you want to fill it all the way up. Now, if you put it in the freezer, you want to leave room for expansion. But if you're going to put it in the refrigerator, fill it all the way up and top that bag. And this is going to keep your juice fresh. Not only is the pineapple going to help preserve your juice, but the glass and the airtight lid. So tighten it up. Purple cabbage, pineapple. That was so good. I'm gonna put this up. Put in the refrigerator. I'm gonna drink this fast.